Ashley's going to do a goblet squat. She's going to keep her feet wide and toes out just a little more. And go all the way down, all the way up. She's going to squeeze the inner thigh. Okay? Good. You can vary your feet a little more, so put your feet even wider. And toes out just a little bit. And even target the thighs a little more. So she's going to do a goblet squat. 2. And now she's going to do a pulsing plie. So she's going to switch her hands. Feet out even wider. Toes out. Heels in. And go down. And don't come all the way up. Ready? Right there. 1, 2, 3. Head up. 4, 5, 6. This is really get thighs. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a pulsing lunge. So face that way, Ashley. Foot like this. Get this one back. She's going to bring her hands up here like this. Go all the way down and pulse about ½ inch off the ground. Notice how she's pulsing. She's pushing off her heel. Okay, 3, 2. Again, the numbers will change on the program. Okay, just do 8. Go ahead. 1. Notice how you get a good base. Don't put the foot behind. You want it out here, right in front of your hips. Your hips are lined up. And good. Now face that way so they can see. Get this foot back, like this. And we're going to go pulse. Notice how that knee's driving down. What you don't want to do is you don't want to drive that knee over the toe. Again, hands are up. Good. And